Hi guys, today we are going to be playing Bed Wars. Sorry if you can't hear me. I'm not really, today I'm home from school. It's 11, as you can see, it's 11:16. And today I'm going to be playing Bed Wars. So, behind the camera, I'm literally moving my hands so much. So I'm going to play Bed Wars. I'm going to join it real quick. I'll see you when I'm in the game. Hopefully you guys can hear me with... in the game, it automatically teleported me in. Well, probably because everyone's at school and I'm home. But if you're one of my fans, can you please comment below this video and saying because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in Pet Sim X. I'll show you the pets when I get in there. I'll see you when I'm actually getting stuff, and I'll see you when I have wool armor. I meant leather. I'm so stupid. ABC, 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 oh my God, prime trash, you are, so I got done typing that. I wasn't really typing it. I know how to type, but I hate typing. Well, I did type that out. I typed that you are the best. You saw me doing the stuff that I... Whatever. So, I have enough for iron armor. And then I can get diamond armor. I think it's leather armor. I'll be right back. So, guys, yeah, we're definitely winning. We have 30 people versus 26, but we may not win if everyone's trash on my team. So I'm gonna go and rush. Let me just do that. I'm Tanker, guys. I'm Tankler. Oh no, I'm Tankler. I'm Tanker doing one of his voices. I'm Tankler. I'm Twankler. I'm Twanker. I'm Twanker. I'm a Twanker bell. I'm a Twanker. I'm a Twanker. I'm a Twanker. I won't let you teleport. I won't let you teleport. Oh, god damn. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but I did by accident. I'm just singing. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm losing my voice, and this is not okay. Sorry for the background noise, if you guys can hear that. Give me a second. Let me shut my door first. Let me hide. You guys can see my recording. I'll be right back. Keep telling me. I told you I was recording. Okay, so I closed the door. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna lose. We're already down to 26 people. Oh no, it's a hacker. Hacker. How did you get that fast behind me? How did you get that close behind me? How do you do that, you hacker? I'm joking. I'm a hacker. I can levitate. Look at, I'm levitating. I'm levitating. My favorite suffocation traps. I'm gonna suffocate. I want to suffocate someone. How many iron do I have? 200. Let me suffocate someone. Do we have an enchantment table? You know, we already have enchants. Please be fire. Oh, of course, it's sticky. I'm going to change that. We have tier 1. Let me just buy some more blocks. Let me buy a pickaxe. Let me buy this. And we have 30 iron. I'm saving up for the diamond pickaxe first. This one's worth it. Get that. I almost have it. I'll come back when I have it. Okay, so I finally have it. That took forever. Let me go and get some iron. Let me go get some diamonds. I'm just going to block them into the void real quick. Never mind. I'm going to block myself into the void. What? I did that on purpose. Totally, I did that on purpose. I don't, guys, yeah, you guys trust me, right? I totally did that on purpose. Totally. I need to take my anger out. I need to suffocate someone like you. Let me suffocate you for a change. And don't suffocate me. I'm going to die, and I just died from the void. I just died, and I'm dead, and I'm alive, but I'm dead, I'm alive. I'm dead, but I'm alive. I'm dead, but alive. I'm dead, but alive. I'm dead, but alive. I hate everyone that suffocated me in my entire life. Oh my god, that was close. Lord and Savior, please help me. 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 I'm gonna get in the suffocation chamber. Suffocate in Time War. I love the suffocation chamber. It literally suffocates oil in like 0.1433 seconds. So basically, it works like this. You can't even place blocks. That's how suffocating it is. So say I want to be suffocated, but it won't let me suffocate. And it won't let me place any blocks. So I suffocate, and then I'm going to scream and break my arm. I hate this dumb game. Ooh, it's a driller. Give me your diamonds. Please let me just suffocate someone. Please, I really just want to suffocate someone. I can't even suffocate you. My game's so laggy. I'm gonna go and get enchants if I can. My game is lagging, and I'm not lying because you guys can see if it isn't for you, but it is for me. It's so laggy, I'm barely breathing. Did my video post? I don't care if it did or not. I remember I can bring myself. I've been recording for hours at a time. I hate this dumb song, but it was there anytime. I can buy myself flowers. I can buy myself flowers. Keep myself flowers. It's things I don't understand. If I can buy myself flowers, keep my name in the sand. Keep myself from hours. Saying stuff that I don't understand. I can buy myself flowers. Took you long enough. Now I'm gonna AFK for 45 minutes. See you in a bit. Tell me how it went. Let me suffocate you. Ah! It didn't suffocate him. 2 M's, please. 2 M's. 2 emeralds, please. 2 emeralds. 2 emeralds. I'm just gonna AFK this until I have 25,000 diamonds. And emeralds. See you in a bit. I lost my mind. I can move for hours. Oh, I forgot to stop record. I forgot to don't mind that, guys. I forgot to stop the recording. Everything just broke. It says Wolf 8 iron, but in the shop's being hacked. These are all the same prices. It says 40 emeralds. I don't understand it. Cloud or fire, cloud or fire, cloud or fire. I have cloud, but I don't need it, but I want it, and I want to keep it. But I love it, and I hate it, but I need fire, because cloud doesn't help me. I guess if I get knocked into the void, yeah, I'm having this. Let me get 4 emeralds. And when I need to make a quick escape-a-rooney. Escape-a-rooney. I think I need to teleport back. I'm just a smile on a spy machine mission. Help me, help me, help me, mommy, 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 help me, help me, mommy. I'm done playing this stupid game. I hate it. Screw my $97. Bye, guys. Now it's time for Pet Cement.